Where do I?
We've done all the category that we create. We've done uh, we've done all our hierarchy. We created hierarchy. We created a folder. We've also done all the formatting of our data. Data is ready for analysis, but with one step. Remember the other day we took out the date hierarchy. We took out the date hierarchy. Somebody, please mute yourself. Somebody is humming back here. I can hear myself. Mute yourself, please. Good. So now, for us to move on, this your class is an introductory class. It's not a full Power BI class. So the next thing we want to do now is I will introduce dates, then we'll create a report and we'll round up the class. If time permits us, we're supposed to round up completely today. But how we are going to do that, let's go on. So now we want to create a date table. That is a huge topic that I have to jump. That's DAX, data analytical expression. Although you did something like that when we were creating your total cost. If you can still remember when we are creating, let me look at it. Was it in a sale? Let me look at which table where we have cost. If you could recall in one of our calculation that we wrote a calculation then, remember, that's a DAX for your data analytical expression. But as it is, now we need to create a date table. That date, remember I was explaining to you. Yeah? Hello?
Hello, I'm here.
Yes. Mr. Ebenezer.
Samuel.
Yes, sir.
I'm listening.
The last one that we worked on, there is a way you asked me to save it. I was trying to open it, but that page is not coming up.
What error is it giving?
No, it's not giving me any error. It opens, but not the information, the exact information that I saved last time.
Share your screen. Let me see what you're saying.
Okay.
Like I was explaining to you the other time that date hierarchy was created by, I recall I was telling you that Power BI has artificial intelligence embedded in it. It's that one of the function of that artificial intelligence is when you imported your data into Power BI. Here we are looking at 7 tables. It's possible you have up to 100, 200, as many tables that you want to analyze. Power BI will run through all the tables, identify the smallest dates and the highest dates, okay? And generate dates table for you, create hierarchy for you, okay? But in this scenario, because is a simulated information, we will have to create our date table ourselves, okay? And that's what we want to do now, okay? Now, what we are going to do is go to your data view. data view. That's almost your report view anyway. Or your table view. Click on your table view like this. Okay. I prefer report view. I can do it anywhere, but I want to do it in a way that is convenient. This one is convenient. Okay.
Sorry, Mr. Ebenezer, can
You're
I
welcome.
ask you, where
Okay,
is
go
the
ahead.
table view?
The middle one is the table view. This one.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Now, when you are here, click on your home menu. Home menu.
Hello, Mr. Beniza.
You're welcome.
Where you are, I'm not able to follow it. This is Emilia.
Yeah. But your Power BI is open, right?
Yes, it's open.
Have you clicked on this button, the middle button on the left-hand side? That's your table view. Click on it.
Which button?
On your screen on the left-hand side, there are 3 buttons below your menu bar there. I have report. Are you looking at my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing your screen now.
But you see report view now.
Report view. No, I can't find report view. Do you see anything? No, I can't find report view. You know the table, I was at the table where I showed you last.
Emilia.
Sir?
Emilia.
Sir?
Okay, 1 minute. Hold on for me. 1 minute. Just hold on for me.
Table view. Data flow. Publish. Is there a table? No, you can't move it again. Get data, Excel, data hub.
Amelia,
Yeah?
under file, can you see those 3? There are 3 icons like that under file. Oh, sorry, let me stop recording.
Under select cells.
Now, Emilia, calm down. Just calm down. Just calm down. You will grab it. Not difficult. On your home menu, look for new table. New table. Can you see this button? On your ribbon, under home menu, look at new table.
Yes, yes.
Everybody are we in the same class? Is everybody? Let Emilia alone, please.
Yes, sir.
Click on this new table. Okay.
Done.
You have this. Here we want to write a DAX formula. DAX formula. Data analytical expression formula. Where you see table, look at what I am doing. Where you see table, delete the table and type dates. Please, everybody, do what I am doing, please. Click in front of the equal to sign, hold down your shift key and press enter. Like this. You click in front of that equal to sign, hold down your shift key and press enter.
Sorry, Mr. Ebenezer. I can only see create a new table
Where?
on my home menu.
Share your screen, please. Share your screen. Let me see what you are doing. No, ma. On the left. That's not it. Close this. Close this.
This is the home menu.
On the right hand side, come to left hand. Aha. Click on that button. That's the one I am talking about. Good. So
Thank you, sir.
click on delete. Click in front of that table. Delete it. Type dates. The way I wrote my own, capital D-A-T-E, date. No, ma, that's not dates. Dates. No, ma, small letters, everything except letter D. Click in front of that equal to sign. Hold down your shift key on the keyboard and press enter. Good. Stop sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Mute yourself. It's coming back. Stop sharing. Good. Now, we want to write a formula that will create a date table for us. So I will write this function, calendar. Look at what I'm doing. Calendar auto. Say, when you are writing a function, it will bring it up for you. So it's open bracket, put 6 inside this. Press enter. Let me explain something to you here.
Mr. Baniza, did you call that thing calendar? It looked like calendar auto.
I said calendar auto. Calendar
But
auto.
the calendar didn't end with E, it's DA.
Is DA. Is the
right.
function you look at.
All right.
It's a function.
Okay.
Good. Let me explain something to us here. Some of us that are used to Excel. Okay, let me even.
What's that? Almost paid.
In Excel, supposing I have this number. If I want to sum this number in Excel, I will simply come here and write something
everyone.
like, yeah.
Yeah. Shall I tell people with me here to join? Because this
Emilia,
class
can
is
you
going
mute,
on.
please?
All right. Hold on. Hello, Mr. Beniza. I'm sorry, please. I have a message for the people from Team Trusted.
Okay.
I'm sorry, guys. We have every other person in Team Trusted, apart from the three of us. We have Annette, Oni, Orolua, and Osareme doing this sprint planning. And according to the SM mentor, if we don't do it today, it will not reflect on our board. And they want us back.
Hello, this a kind of distraction tonight anyway. What's going on?
It is. I don't know.
Mr. Dapo, I think it's for those that are minor. For those of us that are major, we stay on the ground, continue the training. So for Team Trusted that are minor, please, you can make use of that information so it doesn't affect our own class.
Okay, let's move on. Is this class major for Emilia or minor?
It's minor for me. It's minor for all SM, minor for all BAs.
So why not discuss with your team and take a decision so that time is ticking? It's already 10 o'clock. Can I move on?
Yes, sir. You can move on, sir.
As I was about to explain here, on your Excel, I hope my screen is shared, right? I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Good. If you remember that when you want to write summation, you simply begin with your equal to sign, type your function, sum, open brackets, then start with your first reference letter, D2, as we have here, and put the range there, and you have your D5, then you enter, you have your summation. That's the way you work on Excel, right? In Power BI, every formula you are writing must have a name. Must have a name. That is why you have the name of your function dates. Right? That's why you have a date name. That is, you are creating a table that has a table name dates. And by default, the function calendar auto is a function that you are telling Power BI, Mr. Power BI, the artificial intelligence embedded in you, span through all the tables I have just imported: product, region, reseller, salesperson, region, target. Span through all these tables. Identify the smallest date and that is the smallest date of transaction that will occur in these tables, and the highest date of transaction that occur in this table, and generate a table of dates that span this date for me. That is the meaning of calendar auto function. Hello, class. Am I communicating?
Sorry,
Can you say that again, sir?
Okay. When you are calendar auto function, you are telling Power BI, Mr. Power BI, the artificial intelligence embedded in you that has a functionality on what I want to do, span through all the table I have just imported: product, region, reseller, salesperson, region, target. Span through all these dates, scan through them. Pick the smallest date of transaction that occur within that date table and the highest date of any transaction that occur, and generate a table, a date table for me that has all the dates, because I want to use the data as for analysis. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
So calendar auto is to generate a date for you that capture record of range of date in your table. If that is clear. The next thing I need to explain to you, you can see 6 inside this place. Now, some of us that are accountants, some of us that has worked in corporate organization, or some of us that are projects, you've done a project that involves corporate, you know that is what they call financial year for any organization. Am I correct? Hello,
Yes.
class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can somebody tell me what you understand by financial year?
Financial year is when an organization balances their accounts.
Okay.
Some start from January and ends in December. Some start from March and ends in, is it February? Yeah. Sorry, ends in April.
Okay,
It
great.
shows them their true position at the end of the year.
Okay. Do we all understand what Emilia explained? Hello? Do you all understand what she explained?
Yes, we do.
Yes.
Good. Financial year is the recognized year that the recognized month of the year that you want your business to run. Most of the countries of the world, they open their business January, and their end of financial year December. From January 1 to December 31. That's their financial year. Some organizations, for reason best known to them, start their financial year in March, and their financial year will end in February of the second year. Some organizations will start their own July, and their financial year will end June 30th of the second year. The quick logic I want you to see is this. It's very simple. It's only circle 12 months, irrespective of when you start. If you start March, it's just like when you pay your rent. When you pay your rent, whatever month of the year you pay your rent, next year rent is going to be a month lower than the month. If you pay March, then your rent will end up February. If you pay July, then your rent will end up May. Am I communicating? If you pay August, then your rent will end July. If you pay September, your rent will end August. If you pay November, your rent will end up in October. Am I communicating? Hello?
So,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No,
Yes,
we are
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
we do.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at it. If your financial year starts in January, look at what I'm writing. January, coming, let me make it bolder. If your financial year starts in January, then it's going to end in December. If your financial year starts February, then it's going to end in November. Am I correct? No, February. No, February will end in January, December. February will end in
January.
January. Thank you. March will end in February, right?
Yeah.
April will end in, April will end in March. Then May will end in April. June will end in May. July will end in June.
Please, Mr. Ebenezer, How did you get this interface you're writing on?
It's Notepad now. I just expand my character. Oh. Sorry, electricity off for me. Let me on my game. No, shall really right.
Please, class, where is the notepad from where he's writing from?
Do you all understand what I'm doing here? So if your financial year begins in August, it's going to end up in July. September will end in August. October will end in September. And November will end in October. And December will end in January. You can see it's circled. It's like what you have here, what you have on the left-hand side, you reverse it. Everything is 12 months. But most of the time, I just did all this academic, it's an academic function that I did here. You will agree with me that most of the time, most of the time is either January to December or July to June or the next year. Remember, what you have on the left-hand side is the beginning year, and the only time that tallies is only when you start in January, December, that span a whole year. Okay? Any other one will cross the second year. Will span 2 years. Am I communicating?
Positive.
Come again.
I said we're understanding.
Good. Now, when you are writing your calendar auto function, if you left these 6, if you don't put any value there, hold on, please. If you leave this 6 out of 8, you are telling Power BI that my calendar year begins from January to December.
Okay.
Right? January to December. But if your calendar year is not January to December, you must put the last day of the month that end your financial year. The month. Like 6 now. I am telling calendar auto that my calendar year ends in June. That means automatically that financial year begins in July.
Okay.
So I'm referencing this.
Okay.
So if my calendar year is going to end up in, maybe I want my financial year to start from March and next in February, then here I will put 2. Meaning that my financial year begins in March in the previous year and end up in February this year. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If my financial year will end up in August, I will put 8 here, meaning that my financial year began September last year and end up August this year. That's the meaning of the date that's the meaning of the value you have here. Having explained that, now I have generated. If you look at your screen very well, you will see that Calendar Auto has generated a date that began from July 1, 2017. Can you see it? July 1, 2017. Unfortunately, you can't see more than 1,000 rows here, if you remember. Okay. So it's telling me that I have a date that ends in 30th June 2022. 30th June 2022. Okay. So that means this is what happened. The smallest date of your transaction within all this table could be in between July 1 to July end. But supposing the earliest date is July 15, Calendar Auto will not start that day from July 15. It will go to the beginning of July. It's going to start from July for you. Any month it can identify, any month, irrespective of the date, is going to start from the first day of that month. Am I communicating? Hello?
Yeah.
Good. Likewise, supposing the last date of the transaction, the highest date of transaction is June 20 of 2022. That's the highest date it identified. It's not going to end the calendar table in June 20. It's going to put it on the last day of June. That's why you are having 30th of June. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Good. So that is the way your calendar auto works. So it has generated a table that has a date. And when you say create a date table, your function is saying create a table called date using calendar auto function. A table has many columns. So it's going to create the first column of your date table and label it date, the name you give your table. You gave your table name date. So it created the first column to be date. So that's why you have the first column there, date. So I have a date table. Look at on my right side, that's a table, date table that has the first column, date. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. And it assumes all your dates. It assumes that there is time part of your date. So it assumes you are keeping a time stamp. Okay? That is, the record you want to keep has the time functionality. And that's why it started 12:00 a.m. in your date. You will span through, you will see 12:00. So it assumes that every transaction you did is 12 a.m. That's just the default way of writing dates. Is that clear to us?
Yeah.
Good. Can I move on?
Yes, please.
So having generated the date table, look at it. It told us that we have 1,826 columns. Okay, 1,826 rows. Look at the task bar below. 1,826 rows. Good. Let's move on. Now, the next thing we want to do is that I want to create, because I told you I want to create an hierarchy that will analyze my data on year, on months, on day. I want to create a date hierarchy. a date hierarchy. So now the next one I want to do is I want to create a column here in this table. A column here in this table. That's the next thing I want to do. A moment. So I want to create a column here. A column here. And before I write the formula, let me demonstrate for us. This is the formula that will write the year for me. I want to write this formula, and the name of the column for me is going to be year. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Good. So I have to write this.
Mr. Beniza.
Yeah.
So just out of curiosity, you know
Please
the
go.
table you have before this, your notes, right?
Mm-hmm.
My table doesn't, my screen doesn't show like that. You know where you have date and then you have date type. You have name, date, then date type, you have date and time. I don't have that. I hope it doesn't make any difference.
What do you have? Share your screen. Let me see what you have.
Okay.
Mine is different too. It's got 000's time, but I just thought it was how my date was configured instead of
Let me
12
just.
a.m.
This
Yeah,
is
that
sorry.
the same thing I have too.
Okay.
This is what I
Don't confuse yourself. You can even see the date arrangement is different from mine. Yours is 01/07/2017. That's British setting.
okay.
Sorry, we are in between two opposing power. Your system is set up in British time zone. I left my computer as American time zone.
Okay.
That's all. Remember, in America, you write month before day, right?
Okay.
British write day before month. I hope you know that.
Yeah, my concern is, you see what I have here, you see where my cursor is different from what you have.
Table
This is
2.
my
No,
cursor.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Because you are on table 2s. I've clicked on column 2s.
All right.
Don't worry yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll stop sharing then.
I think is it Geoma that is also saying yes, or who?
It's Augusta.
Don't worry. You are working with British settings.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So as I was explaining, I want to create a column here. And I want in that column, this is the component of the column. I want to begin it with FY. I want to call it financial year.
Okay.
Then ampersand. This join with, there is a function. What I'm doing here is I will make you, I know in your Excel you are used to function like sum, like function sum, function average, function count, something like that. So there is a year function. And that year function, this, I'm writing this. I'm only explaining here. I'm not written the formula, so calm down, please. Okay. Let me finish it, then I will explain. Okay. Now, this is what I want to, okay, let me run this formula. This formula I wrote here, I'm going to copy it. If you type your own. Did you type your own?
No.
Okay, don't worry. Now, let me copy it. This is what I want to do. Now, I want to create a column. A column in my date table. I'll go back to date table. I want to create a column on it. Okay. So anywhere you are, locate a new column on your tools. If you click on date on the right-hand side here, it's going to take you to table tools. I think that's what Emilia is having on the screen.
Yeah.
Click on your date table here, the name of the date table. Then you have this. Then you have a new column. A new column button here. Click on this. So when you have this, so it's going to generate simulate a column for you in between here. Can you see my mouse?
Yeah.
A column. And it's telling me that the name of the column is this. Let's do it this way. Now, what should be the name of my column? I want to call it year. Okay. Let's write the formula here. Press enter. I won't paste now. Hold out your shift key and press enter just like we did the other time. I want my year column to begin with financial year, FY. I want to start with FY. Double quote. Begin to type now. Put space there. Put your & sign. That's to join. Let me give you an example of what you want to do. This whole formula here, I want to write, at the end of it, I will write something like this.
Sorry, Mr. Benita.
Yeah?
I thought you said we should hold on.
No, I've said continue now. Hold on. I'm still demonstrating something. This formula that I'm writing now, this is the end result. This is what I want to achieve. This formula I'm writing here. Mm-hmm. I want to generate something like, can you see what I selected here?
Yeah.
Good. That is what that formula is going to generate for me at the end. Okay. Sorry. So it's going to generate for me this, what I selected. So now let's continue. So I've written the name of Samuel.
How did you get that one, please? Yes, sir.
Okay, let me cancel it.
How did you generate the second?
Can you leave it? Let's copy it.
No, I don't want you to copy because I want you to learn it. Samuel, do you have this screen?
Yes, sir.
You have this screen, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Come to the right-hand side on this screen. Do you have these dates? What I'm pointing to? Hello, Samuel.
Yeah, I'm with you, sir.
Do you have these dates? Look at the right. Okay. Look at this right-hand side.
Yes, I do.
Click on these dates.
Yes, I do.
So you have this screen, right?
Okay.
Okay. Definitely you are under table tools. Then there is a new column here. Can you see the new column?
Yes.
Click on this new column.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Wait for it. So it's supposed to bring this one for you. Did you say it? Is your screen like my own now? Hello, Samuel.
Click on the date.
Samuel, you are not doing what I asked you to do. I passed what you are just mentioning now.
I did this date on. It has been there, but the moment I click the date at the right-hand side, that one left.
See, if you follow what I ask you to do, just follow what I am asking you. I just want to be sure you are on this screen that I'm showing you. This screen.
Yes,
and
I
you
am.
can only have this when you click on date table like this. This screen will show. Simple as that, right?
Yes.
Now, if you are here, there should be a new column here. Click on this new column. Do you not have this?
Yes, I do. New column. Okay.
Share your screen, Samuel. Share your screen.
Yes, I do.
Share your screen. Let me see what you're having.
Okay. This is what I have.
Samuel, you are not doing the right thing completely at all.
I got the first one, but the moment I clicked that date, it left.
Right click on this your column up and down and delete it, please. Come to the right hand side. You are not doing the right thing. Hey, leave that. Come to the right hand side. The column. What the column that I show below, delete it.
Yes.
No, click. Okay, click. Where is no, hold on. Click outside. Come to your left hand side, the X on it. Click on that X to take the column off. There is X there. Click on that X. Click. Yes, click on it. Click.
I've clicked it.
Go and click on dates. Go and click on date on the right hand side, please. Forget about that thing to go. Date. Samuel, date. Click on it. Right click on the column above and delete it. That column above, I don't need it. No, I didn't say data. Column. Am I not audible enough? What's it saying? That should be deleted now. Okay, ignore it, don't worry. Go and click on the date. Don't worry. Okay, you're on the date. Go and click on new column. See new column. Samuel, new column.
Yeah, okay. Yes.
Stop sharing, please.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, class. Let's go together, please. Now, click on the column. Delete the column out. That column that you have above, delete it. Type here there. Type what I type. If you have not done it, if you have done it, just wait. Let's move on. Hold down your shift key and press enter. Samuel, I hope you are doing this.
Yes, sir.
Now, here, I want you to type your, can this my screen be bigger? Okay, I can't do that. Okay. Type this, double quote, FY, and close the quote like that. Space, ampersand sign. Type here. This here that you type is a function. and I will put date, then let me explain this small portion for you. This year function, you are saying there is a date table. The date in between the single quotes is a table name. There is a date table, okay? And there is a date column. The date in square bracket is column. The date in single quote is table. You are saying extract the year parts of the date column in a date table. Extract the year. What you are saying is this. If I write today's date, if I write this year, I will write it in American way. This is the month of April 4/22/2025, and I close. When you write something like this, you are saying go to a date table. There is a date column. There is date there. Extract the year out of it. This year is to extract 2025. The end result of this is going to be 2025. Am I communicating? This function extract the year function, the year part of my date, which is 2025. Hello, class. Am I communicating?
Yeah, we're here.
Good. So year is extracting the year part of my date. This column that you have here, whatever you have there, is taking out 2017, 20, whatever that all along 2018, 2019 is extracting the year. Okay? And you are now saying, you now move forward. The next part of the formula is plus. Listen to me here. I am now saying if, see what I'm doing here? Month is another function like a year. A year will extract the year part of your date. Month will extract the month part of the date. If I write this, if I write month 4/22, no, that's not even correct. So this is backslash, no, forward slash. If you write months like this, the result you are going to have is equal to 4. Because the month of the year is 4. Is that clear?
So,
Is my explanation clear? Hello, class. Ijeoma, Augusta.
Hello.
Do you understand me?
The question I have now is this thing you just explained, where are we putting it? Or are we just watching what you're explaining?
Just understand what I'm explaining here first.
All right.
Do you understand the concept I'm explaining here?
Yeah.
Good. If you understand that, this is where we want to apply it. See, we've written the first part of the formula year. That's extract the year part of the date. Now, month, you are saying if we extract month part of my date is greater than 6, add 1. Now, let me show you. If month So if you are saying, come inside this place, month will take the month part of the dates. Okay? Now, you are saying if the month part of my date is greater than 6, comma, add 1 to the year you started at the back. That's the meaning of that formula. This thing is simply 1 to, I will explain at the end. This is our formula. Let's press enter. If you write what I wrote here, there won't be error. So it's going to generate this for you.
Mr. Beniza, where you have that, where you have number 2 that you are typing that formula, I have calendar auto, bracket 6 in front. Then under it, I have date and I have year already.
No, you are doing the wrong thing, Emilia. You are doing the wrong thing. You are not following what I am saying.
Can I show you my screen?
Show your screen. You didn't do what I asked you to do.
This is where I am.
No, now you've already. Don't worry. He's only see, you've already created the column year now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
He's simply showing you, I think you click on the date column here. Click on the year itself. Click on the year. If you click on the year, it's going to show you, when you click on dates now, dates column now, it's going to show you that. Go and click on date column and see what is happening. Click on date column. No, click, So each time, that is the function that generates the date column for you. If you click on the year, it's going to show you the year zone. Is that clear?
So I've already done it.
Yes, you've done it.
All right.
I want to explain further now. Now come and see what we are doing. Remember, I told you, I showed you on that paper that this is what you are writing with that formula. You want to create the financial. Now you are telling Power BI that FY 2018, that's financial year 2018. And you know that your financial year 2018 span from 2017 to June 2018. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Because your financial year will only pick the, let me come back to this. What I am explaining here, let's assume 2017. 2017, January to December, that's your financial year here, is here. But by the time I have February to January, that means I have 2017/2018.
Okay.
Do you remember that's the way you write your year?
Yeah.
When your financial year span through 2 years, you write the first year and the second year.
Yeah.
But indeed, your financial year will carry the date, the name of the last year, not 20, because financial year 2017 for this calculation will begin July 2016. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So now, the financial year you generate here, 2018, remember, it starts from July 1, 2017. Now, let's look at what the formula you wrote above. You said generate a column called year that represents a financial year. Begin with FY. That's the FY you see in front. Because you are extracting your year from dates. So FY is a string character. You are extracting it, you are extracting year and month from here. That's how you put a % sign. Join my year with financial year when you are through with your calculation. Now you now said go and extract the year part of my date. The extraction year is going to give me 2017. It's going to keep 2017 in the memory of the computer. You now say plus. You are now saying extract the month of my date. This date here, the month is 7, July, right? 7. You are now saying if my month is greater than 6, then add 1 to the year that I extracted here. I've already extracted 2017. The month is greater than 6. Then when I add 1, that means 2018. That gives me the financial year 2018. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. That is what you are doing all through. You have your August, you have your September, you have your October, November, and something happened when you now come to, when you come to January 2018, something happens to your calculation. Let's look at the calculation. In January 2018, 1/1/2018, let's see. FY, stand the character there. Year of my date is 2018, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the month extracted is 1 this time around. 1. Is 1 greater than 6?
No.
Eh?
No.
1 is not greater than 6, so it's not going to add anything to your financial year here, so you maintain 2018. So this calculation is to simulate the financial year for the whole year of financial year 2018. Now, when your date, that again will go all through till when you come to June 30, look at it, June 30, 2018. Look at what happened here. Look at on June 30, you said extract year, you are 2018. Extract month. The month you extract is what? 6. Is 6 greater than 6? No. It's not going to do anything. So you have financial year 2018 there. Now the next one is 7/1/2018. 7/1/2018 is July 1. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, in July 2018, July 1, look at your formula. You said begin my column with FY. Extract the year of my date. The year of my date is 2018. Abi? Extract the month of my date. The month of my date is 7 this time around. Am I correct? Hello, class?
Yes, sir.
Is 7 greater than 6?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So it's going to add 1 to 2018 year, and now you have financial year 2019. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is how you generate this your financial year. And if you click on your filter point here, you will see all the year that you have. 2018, 2017, 2020, 2021, 2022. These are all the year that you have. Okay? Any question? Any question? Talk to me. Any question, please?
No, for now.
Okay. Okay. Good. Now the next thing we want to do, go to your Explorer. Go back to your, I'm coming, all 5, square 300. Go to your lab, no, not lab. Go to my solution. Hold on. My resources. Coming. Sorry, it's under lab. Under lab, this code should be under. Okay. Come to under your labs. There is a place you see create DAS calculation. That number 4. Double click on it.
I don't know where you are.
Okay. Can you go back to all files on your phone, on my go to your go to Explorer and locate somebody share screen. Let me use somebody to demonstrate what I want to do. Share your screen. Samuel, are you following me at all? Because you are silent.
It's you, sir.
Are you in this class?
Yeah, I am. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Follow what Emilia is going to do. Emilia, bring up your Explorer. Now go to drives. Where is your scroll down? Oh, let's see your drive C. No, where is your local computer now?
Is it any of this?
No. Click arrow up. Click arrow up here. The arrow up here. Double click on this disk C. This. Double click on it. Double click on my folder. Double click on data. Down all files, double click on it. Is everybody doing this? Everybody double click on this. Double click on that all files. Double click on Player 300. Double click on labs. Now look at the one that has number 4. Double click on it. Hold on. Labs. This. Look at assets. Double click on assets. Okay, that's the only way I'm streamlining it. Double click on that snippet. Good. All the formula that we are using for this function is there. Okay. Now, I want you to, we've done the year part. I want to do the quarter. I want to create a quarter. Okay. Select everything about, look at what I am doing. Everything from this quarter to the last bracket below, copy it. Is everybody doing this? Right click and copy. Samuel, are you doing this? Ijeoma and Augusta, are you doing this?
Yes, sir.
Good. So copy it. Minimize this your notepad. Minimize notepad. You can copy it. I didn't say close it. I said minimize it. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, minimize that. Click on the minus sign on it so that it come down.
Is it from that quarter upward?
Hey, Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Look at me, oh. Quarter. Downward. Can you see what I selected?
So you're not it's not showing on screen.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sharing. Shall I stop?
Yeah, stop. Look at. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, please.
Look at you. If you've opened the notepad as I demonstrated, See
Yes.
from this quarter.
Okay, from the quarter.
Yes.
Okay.
To see what I have written there.
Yeah.
So right click and copy it and minimize the notepad. You are back on your dates. Okay.
Okay.
On this date, I want you to go and click a new column again. Look at my mouse, new column. Can you see new column?
Yes.
Everybody click on this. So it's going to start a new column for you. Augusta, Ijeoma, Emilia, do we have this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. If you have this, take your mouse, select that column plus equal to sign. Can you see what I am doing on top?
Yeah.
Column, select this like that. Now paste, Ctrl V. I want to override what is there. Then you have this. Do you have what is your own like my own, Samuel?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Press enter now. If you've done what I have done, if you've done what I asked you to do, you will see what I have on my screen. This time around, I want to create a quarter. What you are doing here is that you are projecting ahead the way you want to analyze your data to have quarter. I want to analyze year, quarter, and go like that, and month. Is that clear?
Yeah.
If
Yes,
you
sir.
follow, I simply expanded the formula I
I
wrote
have
for this.
error.
Then you are not doing what I asked you to do, Samuel. Show
I'm
me
trying
your screen.
to
Show me
let
your
me
screen.
do it again.
Show me your screen, please.
Okay.
Samuel, if you are
Yes,
my
sir.
student, you will pay triple of what others are paying. If I am to take you directly, you pay triple of others. Because the effort on you alone is more than others. Oh, yeah, show your screen. Let me see what you are doing. Samuel, some of you are going to work tomorrow, corporate. Show your screen.
I'm coming sharing. This is what I have. Hello, sir.
I'm looking at you. Samuel. Take your mouse on top. Go and delete it. I ask you to select the column. Do you see yourself? Samuel, hey, don't close. Oh. See column in front of your cutter now. Go and delete it. You are not even listening to me again. Go to the top of your formula. Go to the top of your formula.
Okay.
Click Samuel. See cutter
Yes.
now. See your formula now.
Yes.
Click in front of that cutter. In front, at that letter Q. Click on that letter Q. Samuel, click in front of letter Q. Click, press your backspace. Press your backspace on your keyboard. You didn't click, I can't see your mouse moving there. Click that thing, let me see. Oh yeah, continue. Take off all those things. Press enter.
Okay.
Do you see have error?
Yes, sir. No.
Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Patiently follow me.
Yes,
Oh yeah, stop sharing. Now, let me explain to you what you did here. If you understood the financial year 2018, it is still the same thing I am doing here. Okay? Now, let me explain to you Follow my screen. I said I need a new column. I want to call the column quarter. Like this. That's the name of the column. And I want what is inside the quarter to begin with. Look at what I did. I went to date table. That's all you wrote here. You said, go to date table. That's why you put it in quote, date table. Extract what is in the column year. The column is what to put inside square bracket.
You don't feel what it's because of the job, what you did today.
This is date table.
Emilia, please mute.
Call a column year. Can you see that? Then you are now saying, go to date table. Extract the content of the column year. That's why you have financial year 2018 written here, FY 2018 here. Then you now said, ampersand, that is, join this string with whatever I am doing next. This. You are now saying, next thing you said, joining with double quote, space, then Q. That's why you have Q in front of what you have there. This is to join Q there. Then the strange thing now is this. You now said, extract the month of the year. Okay? Extract the month of the year. Remember, let's understand something here. If your financial year is between July to June, this, let's come and understand something here. If your financial year is July to June, first quarter of this financial year, how many months will it be there?
3 months.
3 months. What are the months that will make your quarter one of this financial year?
June, July, August.
July, August.
Okay.
And September.
I'm listening. July,
August, and September.
August, and September. Okay, let me do it this way. The first quarter will be July, August, September. That's quarter one, right?
Yes, sir.
What will be in our second quarter?
October, November, December.
October, November, December. That's quarter two, correct? What will be in our quarter three?
It'll be
What will be
January,
quarter
February,
three?
March. January, February, March.
So that will be my quarter three. What will be in the last quarter, which is the fourth quarter?
March, April, June.
No, sir.
January, February, March. Okay, sorry. April, May, June.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
That's quarter four. So now this is what you want to identify now. You are now saying, this is what you are doing. You are doing it from, you are reversing it. You are saying, if the months, look at this thing, if, remember you did this in this formula above, this one, let's come here. Let me do something. So this is our formula. Don't bother about your own. Let me do some arrangement so that it will be clear to you. Look at my screen, what I am doing. all these numbers were lower. I want them to be on the same line. Can you see what I've done now?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let me go on with my explanation on this note. Now you are saying if the month part of my dates, the first one you have here is less or equal to 3. Look at what you are saying now. If this date, and again take note, this function is working one row at a time. One row at a time. Let that sink in your head. One row at a time. When you are analyzing, it's going to be slow in your head because you are looking at it manually. But when computer is doing it, it's faster. So take aside computer and think like a human being. When I'm on row 1, this is my date. You are saying extract the month of this day 1 of this date on the first row. If the month part of the date less or equal to 3, assign 3 to my Q, add 3 to my Q. That will be quarter 3. Am I correct?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, with you, sir.
If the month I extracted is, when you say less or equal to 3, that means you are saying 1, 2, 3. 1 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. 3 is equal to 3, Abby? So you are saying if my date, if the month I extracted is 1, 2, 3, that is quarter 3. Is that not quarter 3 here? Look at your January, February, March. Is that not quarter 3?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
you are now saying attach 3 to my Q. Is that clear?
Okay.
Good. Now, the moment your month you extract is not part of January, February, March, that is not 1, 2, 3. It's going to move to the next group, which is 4, 5, 6. Am I correct? 4, 5. April is 4.
May, June.
May is 4. June is April 4, May 5, June 6, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you are now saying your formula will now change to this. If the month data extracted is less or equal to 6, this one is going to be 4. Remember, you've already, the moment you out of the range of your test, it doesn't go back there again. The moment the month is not within 1, 2, 3, it closes the chapter of this one, you didn't see it again. It's now moving to if the month is 4, 5, or equal to 6. So that is why in your head, it's not going to see 1, 2, 3 again. It's only going to see 4, 5, 6. Am I communicating?
Yeah.
Huh? So if the month is either 4, 5, 6, then you are on quarter 4. It's going to add 4 to your Q.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. And finally, you now have this. It's now going to, what next after this? You're going to look at, you've done your January, February, March, April, May. Then the next one is going to be July, August, September. Am I correct? Because it's looking at the date down. So if less or equal to 9, this one is going to be 1. The moment is not April, May, June. Then it's going to be July, August, September. Am I correct? July, August, September. And your July, August, September is, July is 7, August 8, September 9. So that's why it's testing. If the month I extracted is less or equal to 9, and which quarter of the year span July, August, September? Which month of the year?
Quarter
Which
1.
quarter? Quarter 1. So it's going to attach 1 to your Q. Now, because it's not looking back, the moment is not July, August, September. Definitely, it remains only 3 months of the year.
Yeah.
It's going to be either October, November, December, right?
Yeah.
So the moment it's not either of July, August, September, it's going to attach quarter 2. That is why you are having 1 and 2 in front of your 9 here. Am I communicating? Does my explanation make sense?
How about the last one again, please? The last one.
Okay. That's it, Gioma, right?
Augusta.
Augusta. Sorry, I'm missing your you guys are, your voice are beautiful as your face. Now, look at, you've understood the quarter 3 is January. It start testing your month from January. It start from the lowest. And note that January, February, March is your quarter 3 because your calendar year start from July to June.
Yes,
Am I correct? So January, February, March, that's quarter 3. April, May, June, that's quarter 4. July, August, September, that's quarter 1. And October, November, December, that's quarter 2, right? The moment it finishes with July, August, September, which is quarter 1, and I told you, the moment your testing circle off, it doesn't see it again. The moment it tested your month, it's not January, February, March, it abandons it. It look for April, May, June. If it's not April, May, June, it abandons it. It looks for July, August, September. The moment it's not July, August, September, definitely it can only be October, November, and December, right?
Yes, sir.
And the quarter of October, November, and December is your quarter 1. So the moment is not, it's quarter 2. So the moment is not July, August, September, which is quarter 1, it's simply going to attach 2, which is your quarter 2 there. Is the logic here clear? The logic on this line, is it clear now?
I have a question.
Please go ahead.
Please, Mr. Beneza, apart from watching what you are doing on the pad, should we be updating the board with all those figures you are changing?
No. I'm explaining this formula. This formula, we've already seen the formula.
All right.
You've already generated your quarter.
Yeah.
I am explaining what the formula, the way it generated this quarter for you is what I'm explaining. Nothing more. So whatever I'm doing on the notepad is to explain what this quarter is all about. Am I communicating? Am I communicating?
Yeah, the question is on that quarter, that thing you are doing, you have added 9, like the last one you add now, you have added, there's 9, you have added 1, you have added 2. But our own, we still have only 9 there. Should we add those figures?
Hold on. I have done something in your formula. This is the way your formula was written. Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see? This is the way it was written. This one was also like this. Abby?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this. Go and click in front of these 3. Can you see my mouse?
Yeah.
Put your mouse in front of that 3.
Yeah.
Press your backspace. Press your backspace.
Yeah.
Backspace. So that you be on the same line. I put it on the same line so that you understand me.
Yeah.
Have you done that?
Yes.
Uh-huh. I also click in front of 4.
Okay.
Backspace.
Done.
Then I click on in front of 1. Backspace. Then I click in front of 2. Backspace. So that all of them will be on the same line. And the reason why I does that was I am saying this month you are testing if the month I extracted is less or equal to 3. And that is 1, 2, 3. That's January, February, March. Then the quarter is 3. That's why I put 3 in front of them. Is that clear?
Yeah.
This one I said, if the month I extracted is less or equal to 6, because I've already locked out January, February, March, then I only have April, May, June. That's 4, 5, 6. So if the month I extracted is either 4, 5, 6, then my quarter is 4. Because we are looking at the financial year of July to June. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. The next one is you are saying if the month I started is less or equal to 9. Less or equal to 9. That is July, August, September. Then my quarter is going to be 1.
Yeah.
Okay? Remember I told you, get this logic. The moment you leave a circle of a quarter that you are testing, you lock it off. It doesn't look at it again. The moment is not July, August, September. It can only, the only thing that will remain to test is October, November, December, which is your quarter 2. So the moment it's not quarter 1, then it's only remain quarter 2.
I have a question, Ms. Ebenezer.
Go ahead.
So, what if I stopped at month, day, date less than or equals to 9,1, and I went a step further and said month, day, date less than or equal to 12, then comma 2? Would that work?
It can work, but when it comes, that's what we call code optimization.
Okay.
It's because we are treating you as someone that didn't do programming. If you are going to do Python or you learned programming before, I wouldn't even explain to this extent you'll have understood what I am doing. But because you've not done anything programming, that is why I'm taking this pain to explain to you the concept, what is there. There is what in writing code, there's what we call code optimization. Code optimization is you reduce the number of characters because the more character you are writing, the bigger your code file is going to be. And it's going to slow down what you are doing. So that is why what you are saying, as good as it is, as beautiful as it is that you can do, is not encouraged to be done. Do you understand me?
Yeah, so working smart and working hard.
Thank you. Working smarter and working hard. Yes, that's what I am saying. So definitely one thing is good. It is just like, let me find it funny here. You, my beautiful lady, you met a guy, you dated for some months, you at a point you don't feel like I can't continue with this guy. You drop him off. Your language is now my past, Abby. You don't see him again. You look forward to another person. That is the same way your if function work. Your if function, the moment you come out of the circle of January, February, March, 1, 2, 3, it's now past. It doesn't see it again. So the moment and this is it, if your month is, remember I told you are running row by row. If you're on row 1 and your month is January, February, March, 1, 2, 3, if that is what is there, it will assign quarter 3 and close that and close this formula. It will not do anything again. Until you get to row 2. What is the month in row 2? What is month in row 3? All along like that. It treats each row as independent on its own. Am I clear enough?
So,
Okay. Good. So finally, we need to write for months. We want to generate a formula for months. Months. Scroll up, go to that your snippet. I think that's the only, okay, we have 2 formulas to write and we close the chapter. We won't work with others. So I want to generate month of the year. Look at my table. I've created 3 columns now. I've created date column. I've created year column and I've created quarter column. I want to create a month column. This is very, very simple on its own. Month column. Okay. So this is the formula I want to write here. Hello class, are we all here? Look at my screen. Are we all here? Go to your snippets. Let's take it step by step. Open down your notepad. This is what we did last. Scroll up under your date table. Can you see date table month column definition? Month column. Have you seen this?
Yes.
Okay. Select from month. Samuel, are you following me? Month. Select this. Hello.
so
Have you done this? Select months.
I'm coming.
Or we should go and type it. Samuel, are you here? I can't hear you. Samuel, are you seeing this class? Augusta, are you there?
yes, sir.
Okay. Hope you are following me.
Yes, sir. Someone went to add fuel in his gen.
Oh.
I'm back, sir.
Hey. Okay. We will arrest your
But my wife has done it for me, sir. Thank you, sir.
We will arrest your president that is not giving us light.
Sir, it's your uncle, sir.
I don't know him. Okay. So we want to move further. There are 2 things we want to do to close tonight. We want to generate a month column. Open your notepad, please.
Okay.
That snippet that you open.
Yes.
That snippet. Below that quarter there is months. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So I want to come back to your Power BI.
Okay.
Are we all here, everybody?
Yeah.
This is what our screen supposed to show on Power BI, right?
Yes.
Everybody. Okay.
Yeah.
Go and click on new column again. Go to your ribbon bar. Click on new column. New
Okay.
column. New column.
Yeah.
This. So to generate another one for me.
New color.
Okay. So now I have this. Go and Samuel, you didn't do
Yes,
this
sir.
the other time. Go and click in front of this column and delete it.
Yeah. I've
Delete
clicked
that
in front
column.
of the column.
Are you looking at my screen? You
Yes,
press
sir.
your backspace
Yes,
to
I've
delete it.
deleted it.
So type your month. Type what
Month.
I have here. Month. I want to create a column called month.
Okay.
I want to create a column called month. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Click in front of it and hold down your shift key and press enter like this. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now type what I want to type. Format. Format is a function. You are saying pick my date column. Okay, extract year and format it. Format date from date column. From date table, date column in date table. Date column is the one in square bracket. That's my date column in date table. So format the year of it for me. And let the format be this. Double quote, write this. Write Y 4 times, space, capital MM, and close the quotes. And close the formula.
How many M's, please? Double, 2 or 3?
M is 3.
Okay.
You are simply saying extract year from my dates and format the year like this. The months. You are saying extract year and months. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. So press enter. If you do what I did, you will have this.
Yeah.
So you have 2017 July.
Yeah.
Okay? Let me try and do something. Let me modify that. Let me add one M to that my M and see what will happen.
Okay.
Add another capital M and press enter. Can you see? It writes your month in full.
Yeah.
Let me do another thing. Let me take 2 out of that M. I have only 2. Press enter. So it writes your month in number. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
If I take another M out, it writes your month as a single number like that. Good. But I just want to demonstrate that to you. I want my month to be written in 3 letters.
Yeah.
So I make it that. Is that clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Before I demonstrate the last one, I want to do something. Let me go to my report here. Are you with me?
Yeah, but I don't have that one.
Okay, don't worry. Everybody come to this report view. Emilia, just don't worry. Reduce whatever I have there. This. Click outside it. I want to insert another table. Come to your table visuals. And add a table like this. Drag it to this edge. How many people understood what I'm doing here aside Emilia? Ijeoma, do you understand this? Augusta, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, I want to add look at the date table we created. I want to add year to this, what I have there, year. So, I put my year here. I put my months. Good. Let me format it to make it bigger a bit. I have, okay, let me come to format visual that we've done the other time. Column header, time romance, 20. Okay, then let me values. Let me make it 18. Good. I want it to be bigger like this. I want to do something. I will come back to my visual. Let me take out the year and leave the month alone. Okay. In my screen, even though you don't understand anything, what do you see happen in these arrangements? Is it the way the month is supposed to be arranged? Can somebody look at my screen and see the arrangement there?
Arranged orderly.
Eh? Is it orderly?
Nope.
So what do you notice?
It's not arranged orderly.
It's not arranged orderly. It's arranged in alphabetical order. That's how you have August before December, December before July, November before October, September before April. So it's arranged alphabetically. Okay? That takes us to the last formula we want to write.
We've not done this one, though.
Which one?
Okay, let's go back. This one, yes, sir.
Why have you not done it? Okay, it's just demonstration. Don't worry.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
worry.
So we can go to the other one.
Yes. So now, I want to add another column. So click on new column.
Can I continue with here, yeah?
Yeah, come back to this place.
Okay.
Yes, Emilia, continue with this.
Okay.
Click on new column. New column. This.
How can we come back here, sir?
Just click on your.
The middle one of that. Those
just
three
click on
boxes by the
your
left.
table view. This middle one.
Table view.
Have you done that?
Yes, I'm here. Thank you.
This is where I demonstrated something here. This is where I demonstrated the first view. Here. So simply click on your table view. Okay? And I said click on new column. New column. This. Then you now have this. Is that clear?
Yes.
If you are following me, the column you have here, delete it. Type months, capital K, month key. Type month key. Month key. Okay? Now, click in front of the equal to sign, hold down your shift key and press enter. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, here, I want to write this. Open a bracket, year function, open another bracket, take your date table reference and date column, this, close the bracket, multiply by 100. I will explain this and close it. Plus sign, call your month function, date, square bracket, date, days. Oh, sorry, there must be plus sign here, or I jump it to my own. Plus. Then close this bracket. So watch the formula I wrote there. Let me explain this before we. Supposing I pick, I'm on row 1, which is 7/1/2017. Is that clear to everybody? Supposing I'm on row 1. Remember I told you all this function will work 1 row at a time. I'm on row 1, 7/1/2017. That's my first date. The year part of this function is going to extract the year of 7/1/2017. So it's going to do this for me. Year function will bring out 2017 like this. Okay? And I'm saying extract the year and multiply it by 100. Multiply 2017 by 100. So I will now have 2017. I will have this 2017 multiplied by 100. So this will give me what? 21,700. I'm explaining the formula I wrote there. This part of the formula, extract year multiplied by 100. That's 2017 multiplied by 100. You will have this. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next thing I did is I now said that year multiplied by 100 plus the month extracted. The month extracted. So plus, now see, this one you said multiply by 100. That gives me this. Then you now say plus months. Months 7/1/2017. The month here is 7. Am I correct? So it's going to give me this plus 7. That means you now have equal to sign 2017/07. Do you understand that part?
Mr. Beneza, when do we finish?
We'll soon. This formula is what I just explained. Just press enter now. If you write your formula well, you see it generate for me, like I explained to you. Start from July. When you are scrolling down, you now have your 2018-01. The reason why you have multiplied by 100 is so that you can have all these 07, 08, 09, then when you have your 10, 11, 12, all along like that. That is what we are trying to do here. Okay? That's month key. Good. I quickly want to do something so that we are tired already. Okay. So now, just give me some few minutes, we'll round up. Let's go to the report view. Go to the report view. Click on the plus sign that I have here. Click on the plus sign here so that you have a new page. A new page.
That's the plus sign.
Stay here now, you create a new page.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Click on this button. Come to your visual. Click on this button. Can you see? Look at me. The one I point to matrix. Can you identify that?
Matrix.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So click on it. So it's going to insert it on your report view for you. Emilia, you do this too.
Oh.
Do this. We'll so round up. I just want to demonstrate it.
I'm looking for the matrix.
Look at it.
Yeah, I found it.
Have you added a new page? As if you are in a spreadsheet?
Yeah.
Okay. So look at this, click on it.
Okay.
It brings it up like this.
Yeah.
Good. Now, do something. Check a year. Come to your data pane and check a year here. It brings up a year here for me. Right? Just follow what I'm doing. Come, click on the look at the top of this build visual here. There is format your visual. This one. Click on this button.
Yeah.
Aha. You are here, right?
Yeah.
Locate column headers. Column headers. This. Expand it.
Wait, oh, I'm not done. When I click on that, it showed me page information, canvas setting.
No. Have you make sure you select your matrix there?
Select what?
Hold on.
Okay, yeah, select it first. Don't worry, I have selected it.
My matrix is not showing figures, so
it's not showing what?
It's not showing the figures that yours have.
You've not clicked on date, Samuel.
You now click on year now and say year.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me lead Emilia on. So when you click on your matrix, come here.
No, it's all gone. I didn't get it.
How?
I clicked on the metric, then I clicked on year, and I have something else entirely. Can I share my screen?
Share screen.
Please, I'm sorry. I clicked on this, then I clicked on year, and it brought this. How can I remove it?
Please just click on empty. Go and click on there is mark. No, not that. The mark. Just click outside it. Click outside it. Don't worry. Click outside it.
Okay, it's gone.
Click on that your matrix now. Okay. Click on the box beside the year. The box.
Here.
No, not that one. The empty box.
Okay.
Yeah, that's to select the year.
Okay, good. Then it has figures inside.
Something is covering you. Look at this line on top of it. Click the X and close it. Click that X. That X. And close. Okay. Yeah, good. Now, Go and click on your visual, the second button now. Format visual. Yeah, click on that. Okay. Now, stop sharing so that others can
Augusta.
follow.
Yes.
Please, which part of the year am I clicking?
Yeah, it's on under data. Just click on year. Just
The
check the
box.
box. Check
Yeah.
the
Okay.
box. The box in front of it.
Yeah, got it. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, now click on your days. Come to your format visual days.
Click on days.
Are you here now? Everybody?
Yeah, I'm on format your visual. Yeah.
Yes. Now come to column header below. There is column header. Expand it. Now there is font. Select the arrow down there. Pick your Time New Romans.
Yeah.
In front of it, there is number. Click inside the number, make the number 20.
Number one, please.
Hey, hello, stop that calling now. 20 here.
20.
That's the font size. Now, under the column header, the arrow pointing down, click it so that you close it. Look at your row header, expand the row header. The same thing. Select it, Time Romans 20 here. The font size. I want what is on your screen to be bigger.
Sorry.
Who is calling my attention? Samuel, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so somebody's... Emilia, are you following me?
I'll change the Time Romans.
Okay. The font size, change it to 20.
Yes, I've done that.
What of Emilia?
I've changed my font size, but it's not as big as yours.
What do you put it? But you can see clearly, right?
Yeah, I put Times New Romans and I put 20.
Okay. It could likely be the resolution of your screen, don't worry. So have you done it for both column header and row header? Have you done it for column header and row header? Which one have you done?
I've done it for
column header.
Yeah, column header.
What of row header?
I've not.
Okay. Now there is an arrow pointing down beside that your column header. Click on that arrow down to close it.
Okay, yeah, then row header, yeah.
Then go and click on row header, the same thing, select Time Romans 20. Have you done that?
Doing. Done.
Then close it.
Okay.
Go back to your visual, the first button, this.
Your visual.
Have you done that?
Which button?
See now on top of this, on top where you did.
Yeah, I can see your
Okay, click on this button.
On
so you are back
visual.
here. So you are back here.
Okay.
Good. Now go and click. Go and check, just like the way you check for year, check for months. Months. Okay. Check for months.
Okay. Done.
No, that's not what I want.
Uncheck.
Hold on. Uncheck it. Point to the month. See, hold on, look at what I want to do. Drag this month. Point to this month, don't check. Drag this month below the year like this.
Okay.
I don't know if that's convenient for you. Drag the month below the year like this.
Below the year.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Just hold on. Let me show you something. Drag this your diagram down a bit. I want okay. There are some buttons on top. I want this button to be, when you drag down this button, will come on top. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Can you have you dragged that your matrix down?
Yes.
So that you have this button on?
Yeah.
Then if that, click on the fork. The one that turned down like this. Click on it. Good.
Okay.
So if you do that, you will see what I have on my screen.
Yeah.
So you will see that the months are not properly arranged.
Yeah.
Good. That's what I want us to, that's what I want to demonstrate. Now let's quickly, sorry for taking a bit.
Excuse me, please. I dragged my month to the year, and yet I don't have what you have.
What do you have?
I
Show
still
your
have what
screen,
I had
Sam.
before.
Oh, yeah, show your screen. I'm sure you may likely be off what I'm talking about.
This is it. But don't make the same date on it. I say I've checked this month.
Hold on. Click inside this your box. You come to your canvas. Hold on, leave that place. Come to your canvas where you are doing your reports. Come to your reports. Yeah, click inside. Click inside, Samuel.
I've clicked it.
You've not. This, your year formula will have gone. Click. Okay, click outside the objects. Click. Now go and click on your matrix now. The matrix itself, the objects. No. Samuel, come to this year where you have your matrix now. Click, point to the top and drag down. No, just empty area. Drag down on the objects.
This object?
No, don't point to the column, just the matrix itself. Click and drag down. Drag, leave it. See all this button on top. See all this button. Yes. Click the one like a fork there. Hey, that's not fork. See now. Hey, see that's you. The one that has two mouths now, beside the funnel.
In this one.
Yes. Click. See, you can see what I'm seeing now.
Yes, thank you.
You know they take your wife come out, Abby. I will tell your wife to drill you.
Sir, she's hearing you, sir. She's actually very busy.
You don't take her to E3, so that's why I don't know what fork is. No problem.
She's very busy. She doesn't like going out.
Who said you don't want to spend money? You're a liar.
Sir, I used to take her out very well.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now let's quickly time is fast spent. Go and click on your table view, please. Table view. Emilia, you're tired. Sorry.
I am. Where is the table view?
I am tired.
It's 5 minutes to 12.
I'm ready closing up.
We will soon round up.
Where is the table view, Mr. Benny?
See this. Come on the right-hand side or on the left-hand side of your screen. The table view is the middle one.
Okay.
Click on it. Yes. Okay. Click on this your month key. On this your month key. Click on it.
Yeah.
No. Sorry. On month column. Month, not month key. Months. Click on your months. Okay. So there's a dark gray on it. On the column 2s above, there's a column 2s above. Can you see that? Okay. There is a sort group, a sort by column. Can you see my mouse?
Yes, please.
Click the arrow down under this sort.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Okay. Now, sort by, it's asking me sort by which column? Select month key. Select month key. Sort by select month key.
Okay.
You are telling Power BI, sort my month column by the month key. Remember the number there are now they've written in such a way that you can arrange it in ascending order. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
So go and click on your report view now. Go back to your report view and see what happened. What do you notice of your month arrangement now?
It has rearranged it.
It has rearranged it. So now you have your July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? Good. Finally, we want to create an hierarchy and we'll close chapter tonight. Hierarchy. So come to the last button with the model view. Model view. This. Have you done that? Hello?
Yes, I have.
So,
So, okay, Amelia, you might be confused there. Just wait. When I review with you, we'll do this. It's there. But Ijeoma, Samuel, and Augusta should be able to do this. On this place, your month key is selected. Click on it. There is under your property is hidden. Click on that is hidden so that you hid your month key.
Sorry, what are we clicking on? Sorry.
Come to model view now.
Yes, I'm a model view, but I can't.
Look at your date table. Your date table is there. Right?
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it now.
So click on your month key. Either you click here or you click on the month key on the pane, data pane, month key. Then on your property, you see it's hidden there. Click on it so become here so that it hides that key.
I'm lost.
Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Click on your model view now. Come to this.
I'm there. I'm at the model view.
What of your date table? Date table will appear now.
Yes, they appear. They are there. Which of them? Sales, region,
date.
Okay.
Date table that we just created. So click on month key there. Month key, the field you created. And under your property, select is hidden.
I'm not seeing the month key here, the month key that we created here.
Come to your data pane under your date. Expand your date here like this. Can you see this side?
Okay, yes.
This month key. Click on it.
Okay, yeah.
Under your property, look at is hidden. Click on it to make it yes.
Month key hidden.
Properties isn't showing the general. I'm just saying cards.
I can hear you.
Month key hidden. Not seeing it though.
Properties is not showing general. I'm not getting this info.
Is that Ijoma? Ijoma, share your screen. Let me show you. Augusta, share your screen, please.
Okay. So I've clicked month key, but under properties, I can't see.
Why is it showing me cards? Okay, click on date table first. Okay. Now click month. Click on month key.
Okay, month key.
Good. So look at it hidden here. Click on it. Good. If not, yes now. So that means go to hierarchy. Is there anybody? Samuel, are you through with this?
I've clicked the month hidden.
Okay.
But it's not, it didn't display anything.
Hey, oh yeah, share your screen, please.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, guys.
I've checked the key. This is a hidden key.
Now, what are you now saying? It's done what I want you to do now. Yes, the key is hidden. Leave it. Oh yeah, stop sharing. The time is going, please.
Yes.
Click on the date table on the right-hand side. Click on the date table. Click on the date table. Now, right-click on the year field. Right-click on the year column. The year column. Right-click. Right-click. Samuel, right-click on the year column. This. Have you all done that?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Benis, am I to do that?
Yes, you can do that, Emilia. You can do it.
So where do I start? Sorry.
Go and click on model view. Model view, the last button below.
Yes.
Then
I have these tables you guys have, but mine is scanty.
Yeah, it's not scanty, it's inside. Okay. Emilia, don't worry. I will review it for you together. Let others do it.
Okay.
So right click on the year, everybody. Click on create hierarchy. Samuel, please.
Yes, sir.
Click on create hierarchy on the year.
No, sir.
So now you have your year hierarchy. Delete under the name. Ijeoma, I know Augusta, you should remember this. Under the name, delete year hierarchy. Delete year hierarchy and make it fiscal. Type it fiscal.
Fiscal.
Fiscal, not year. That's fiscal year.
Oh.
It's an accounting term. FISCAL. Fiscal year. Press enter when you finish that.
Done.
Okay. Now, below the hierarchy, the way we add column the other time, add quarter and add year and month.
Hierarchy again. There's no hierarchy again.
If you've done what I asked you to, look at my screen now. You have year on top. Look at below the hierarchy. That's what we've done the other time now.
Okay, yeah.
So select first quarter, second month, then an apply level change.
First quarter, second month.
So apply level change. If you do what I asked you to do, you will see a fiscal hierarchy has been created. So you have your year, quarter, and month. We'll demonstrate it the next time. Okay. Permit me to do this last part, then I will close.
Yes, sir.
We want to create a model, a relationship, a date relationship. You can see your dates. It's not attached to anybody. It just stands on its own.
Yes.
Okay? So let's quickly click on manage relationship. Manage relationship. Manage relationship. Click on new relationship.
Should I still hold on?
Hold on, Emilia. I will run through with you. I will confuse if I ask you to do it. Just hold on. We'll agree on a time to review with you. So from table, select date. The first thing is date. And you have your date column here. Now go and I want to link date and sales. Select sales. That is, create a relationship between date and sales. The beauty of this is you will click on date column under date and other dates under sales, other dates. So I'm forming a relationship between date table and sales table on other dates and dates. So save it. I want to create the final relationship under dates and target. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't save. It's not showing me.
Augusta, how do you man?
I clicked Augusta, just click OK.
Okay, it's not highlighted.
Share your screen quickly. Share your screen.
Okay.
Click on date column.
Date column.
Under date, click on date column.
Yes.
Click. Under your sales, click on other dates. Other dates. Click OK. That's why it's not highlighting it. Click OK. Click OK. So let's do the same thing for date. Yeah.
This relationship.
Yes.
At this point, I have the first line, the second line I don't have, and I have the third line.
What do you mean by third line?
From what is showing on screen now. Can I just quickly share so I can show you?
Okay.
This is what I have. The one here is not there, and that of here.
Don't disturb yourself. Everything is there. Everything is there. Don't disturb yourself.
Okay, sir.
Don't disturb yourself. Share screen. Now let's click on new relationship. New relationship. Select your dates and finally select your target months. Target months. Targets. Targets. Select target table. On your date above, click on date. While on target, click on target months, like I did. Augusta, make sure you do that. Then save. Close now, close. You will see that your date is now having a relationship with targets and sales. Good.
Yeah.
You can analyze with them later. Finally, choose to report view. Sorry, before we move, before we leave, come and expand your sales table. Sales table, click on other dates in your sales table. And hold down your control key, expand your target months. So you are selecting other dates and target months in your targets. Under the property, you will see this.
We select expand our sales. Select what, please?
Other dates. Feed other dates. Have you done that?
Okay, and then
hold down your control key. Under target, select target month. So the two of them will be selected together.
Okay.
When you do that, then under your property, you will see is hidden. Click on it to make it yes. So I've hidden my other date and target month. I don't need it.
Done.
Finally, go and click on your report view. If you expand your sales now, you will not see other dates there. If you expand your target, you will not see target month there. I've hidden them. Finally, click on the dates on your pane. Click on date table. Select the date table. Select date table. Not field the table. Click on the date table itself.
Yes.
On the table tools. On the table tools here, look at your table tools, click on it.
Sorry.
On the table tools, under the calendar group.
I'm not seeing that.
Are you on the report view?
Report view. Yes, I am.
Have you clicked on date table on the right-hand side, the date table? Click on it.
Yes, sir.
Then you should have this menu above. Look at table tools on the right side. Click on it. If it's not been selected before. Samuel, share your screen. What are you doing? Share your screen.
All right, sir. This is what I have.
You are not doing what I asked you to do. Now I said click on date table. Samuel, I'm very clear now. Click on date table.
This one?
Date. Click on the table, the name of the date. Click.
Yeah, I got it.
Stop sharing. Under the calendar group, there is mark as date table there. Mark as date table. Can you say it?
Calendar.
Hello? Look at my screen. Mark as date table. Click on that mark as date table.
Mark and date. I don't have mark and date.
I said mark as date table. Read English now.
Okay, yes, I do. Mark as date table, yes.
So it's either you have date, whichever you have. Look at my screen. I have mark as date table is off. My own Power BI has been upgraded severally. So many things will change from your own. Just make sure you have mark as date here. Turn it on. Turn it on. Then choose a date. Choose column date. And now click save. What you are simply doing is you are now telling Power BI to use your date table as your analysis modification. Any analysis you want to do, you modify with it. Any question for me?
Yes, can I please share my screen, sir? I didn't get the last part.
Okay. Emilia, can you chat me on Telegram?
Pardon?
Chat me on Telegram.
Okay.
Yes, select dates. Yeah, select dates. Click on that dates. Augusta.
I've selected already.
No, you've not. Click on the dates. No. What's happening? When you mark these dates, go and click on date table.
Yeah.
Then
mark as date.
click on it. Mark as date table, right? Click. Now, under the arrow down here, is want you to select a column. Click arrow down. Click on date. Date. See date below. Click. Then click OK.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So it has make that table. What your timeline that will disable? Samuel, mute yourself.
Sorry.
Okay.
Mr. Ebenezer, I can't see you with that name.
Dapo EB should be there. Dapo EB should be there now.
Dapo.
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on, don't worry. Let me round up. Or let's it Augusta. How to link me up. Talk to Augusta after the class. That will be better. So everybody, remember the other day when we are clicking on file, options, yeah. You come to data load under current file, and you remember under your auto daytime intelligence, you uncheck it. What you take out here is what you've just done with that your date table now. That's what I want to just show you. So we will stop here tonight. Today's supposed to be your last day. It's 5 class, but because I need to show you how to generate reports, and we'll close the chapter. So we'll do that report next class. We'll do report next class.
Thank you, sir.
Any question for me? Sorry for stressing you.
Yeah, it's sorry, sir. Mr. Ebenezer.
Yeah.
So this clicking on the date table and table tools, markers, date. What exactly do you call it? What are we doing in one word to this?
Let me. I just demonstrated it. You are not
Yeah, no, I know,
I
got it. But what exactly are we trying to achieve? What do you call that?
Hold on. Remember when you in last class, when you come to other day, you saw that there is date hierarchy on your other date. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
You remember there is a date hierarchy?
Yes, sir.
And I told you that you are not the one that created it, right?
It's true.
And I now came here, I told you, click on file, click on option and settings, click on options.
Yeah.
Hold on. Then you now come to under current file data load, and we uncheck time intelligence here, and that take up the data hierarchy, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. That data hierarchy is what we'll create with physical now. We've created data hierarchy with our physical here. And we are now saying Power BI should make use of my date table to manipulate function on my system. That's what we just do.
Okay, so
I am customizing my own data hierarchy on our own analysis.
okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. So, sorry for taking your time. So, we'll round up this course next class by generating reports. I will close the chapter there.
Hello, Augusta. Please, I've sent you a message regarding Mr. Ebenezer's detail, please.
Okay, my dear.
Thank you.
So, good night to you all.